Okay, so I have removed this halfway. Now what is happening? This bend pipe is basically touching the cap now. So for that, I have still kept this nut as it is, so it will not pop out. Um, the sticky material kept the cap so tight, so don't use any kind of adhesive over there. Even if it is leaking, just use Teflon tape. Now I will have to dislocate this whole header towards this side. So for that, again now I am having hurdle because I can't reach this point. To reach this point, because this is the basically foundation of the header, so to reach this point I'll have to remove the horn. So let's start with this job. I'm going to use this cut ring spanner. So I'll just remove the horn. I'll be requiring 2 spanners for this. Okay, so even though we have removed the horn, it's better to disconnect the horn. It's better to disconnect the horn so the wire will not get stretched. Oops. Sorry. So this is a problem. If you want to remove one thing, you'll have to remove everything. For such a small job, you'll have to remove everything. But can't help it. Okay, so I have removed this horn. Okay, now we are accessible to this portion, this nut. So I'm just going to make this thing loose so I can okay, this much is fine. Now I can shift the pipe towards this side, but for that again there is another foundation, which is this one. So remove the nut. So many things to work. Okay, now I am having almost accessibility. So we'll have to just dislocate this pipe so I can have accessibility to remove the cap. I'm going to use wooden plank so it will not get damaged. If it is possible, just okay, this is better. I'm just going to keep one wedge. Okay, so I guess this will work. It's coming out. The wedge is better. One tough time. that's why these bikes hardly some people do, because a lot of work is involved when you're basically trying to remove all those things, because it may create an issue. Ah, okay, somehow got the relief. Later bikes after this breed, there was a o-ring in this cap, so if you can find out that cap, that it is better, then you don't have to worry about this packing and sealing and all those things. So it's got a retainer spring to keep the cap in its position. I will remove the oil filter from the cavity. Let me see if I can show you in details. Okay. Now there is a small metal washer has to be there, which is not there. One felt washer will be there, kind of a sponge, and another is metal washer with the collar. Okay, so that has to be clean. Okay, so this is the felt washer and this is the collar washer. I will remove the oil filter. Okay, oh my god, it's not even changed. It's too much black, so it's not even changed. Some people, they are very lazy to open this because it's very critical jam. We'll have to clean everything to fix up this. So you must have understood that to remove the oil filter, there is a possibility you may have to remove the header. Now to avoid that situation, there is also one remedy you can do.